If you spend time on Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, you've probably seen accounts that get hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions of views. Every single video performs well. But here's the surprising part. In many cases, the person in those videos isn't real. They're AI-generated characters. And today, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI influencer. Step by step, completely free. This will be quick and practical. So let's get started. We're going to follow 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create your AI character. Step 2. Generate scripts and scene prompts. Step 3. Turn everything into a fully generated video. Let's begin with the character. To create our AI model, we'll use Nano Banana Pro. You can access it through platforms like Higgsfield AI. If that doesn't work for you, Gemini also provides access. Once you're inside the image generator, select Nano Banana Pro. Now describe your character in detail. Mention facial features, hairstyle, clothing style, expression, overall personality. The more specific you are, the better the results. You can also upload a reference image for inspiration. Next, choose your image ratio. For portrait-style influencers, 3:4 works perfectly. For resolution, you can go up to 4K. I recommend 2K for a good balance of quality and speed. You can generate up to 4 images at once. Free tokens are provided daily. Click Generate, and wait a moment. If you don't like the result, adjust the prompt and try again. Once you're happy with one version, that's your AI influencer. Now let's move to step 2, content creation. We want our AI character to talk, move, and act like a real influencer. There are 2 ways to do this. Option 1, generate a video completely from scratch. Option 2, use an existing video and swap the face. For this example, we'll create a promotional video from scratch. To write the script, I'm using ChatGPT. Simply ask it to create a short advertisement script, broken down scene by scene. Then ask it to generate detailed prompts for each scene. Within seconds, you'll have everything ready. Now comes step 3, video generation. We'll use Google Flow, powered by the VEO 3.1 model. Flow gives free daily credits, so you can create videos at no cost. Inside Flow, choose Frame to Video. This option requires a starting image for each scene. So go back to Nano Banana and generate images based on your script. Upload the first image into Flow, paste the scene prompt, click Generate, and within moments, your AI influencer comes to life. For example, tired of dull, lifeless skin? The result looks realistic, smooth, and natural. Repeat the same process for each scene, then combine them into one final video. You can also generate one continuous video, without cuts, if you prefer. There's another method as well. If you want faster content creation, use face swapping. Go to Higgsfield AI, open the video section, select Motion Control, upload a sample video, or choose one from the Motion library. Then upload your AI character as the face reference. Choose your resolution. Click Generate. And now, your AI influencer performs the movements from that video. It's that simple. Create consistently. Post on multiple platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And over time, you can grow a fully AI-powered influencer brand. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.